Hello guys, I'm using a phone. It's Xiaomi Note 4X. In fact, all Xiaomi phone has a network problem while using 3G or 4G. Sometimes it appears in 2G network. Like I had a sign there, H sign. So I'm gonna fix it without changing it my SIM or rebooting the phone. So first of all, we'll go to the settings. It's all in a common. Xiaomi phone has settings, and then settings, go to the settings, then choose SIM cards and mobile networks there, and go to the operator. My operator is Banglalink, so I'll click on it. Then here is the preferred network types. There is three options: preferred LT, preferred 3G, and 2G only. So here appears 2G, so I will choose their 2G. Right. Then we will back to the home screen again. So I choose 2G and I'm going to the home screen again. Then I go to the same thing and choose Banglalink there and go to the preferred network types, and then I click on 3G. Then okay, go to the home screen. Then you can see